Hello viewers, welcome back another video. Today I'll be discuss how to enable your microphone system on Windows 10, and please check your Windows setting and click your privacy option and below microphone option, and finally you can check allow apps to access your microphone. If this disabled, please enable your system, and below apps system, if you off, then you can on your application, and below running application. So if you is okay, then after that check your device manager, right button, manage, and click device manager, and click audio input and output system. When you are your microphone enable in this showing your system, and right button click and update your driver, and you if you enable your Wi-Fi or Ethernet system, please select search automatic for update driver software, uh, and then when it is complete, then I can your solve your problem. So viewers, thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll be discuss next video about another talking. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel.